Yes, children. Hi, how are you all? Fine. Today, in our English class, we are continuing the punctuation, children. Third side heading, that is the question mark. In the brackets, write down the question mark sign, children. So, it is the meaning. It is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Like for example, did you eat the lunch? Did you brought my book? Means these are the lines, these are the sentences is a statement by adding at the end of the statement as a sign of what, children? Question mark. Lines को और statements को sentences के ending में, okay, at the end of that line, if it is a sentence interrogative, we are writing what, children? Which sign? Punctuation mark as a question mark you are giving. For example write down, children. First one as where are you going? Where are you going? I have given the interrogative sentence at the end of that question mark. Now second one, children. Second one, it is your brother. Sorry, he is your brother. He is he your brother? Your brother. Again, it is a interrogative statement. Yes or no? It is a interrogative sentence. So, I have given what, children? Which sign I should give? Question mark. Yes. Now, in the punctuation, fourth side heading, that is an exclamation mark, children. In the brackets, write down exclamatory. Yes, exclamatory sign, children. Now, what is the meaning of it? It is placed at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Means exclamatory sentence means wow, how you are. How? Wow means exclamatory. Means you didn't expected this. Yes or no? For example, what a beautiful you are. Means what a beautiful girl you have also you can write down. So means sudden feelings we are writing in the sentences. So to end of that sentence we can give the sign exclamatory mark and it becomes the exclamatory sentence, children. How we will write the example one? What a beautiful girl she is. She is. Give a exclamatory sign. So, is the exclamatory sign I have given at the end of the statement. And we are in the punctuation. Fifth side heading, that is the quotation mark. In the brackets itself write down quotation marks, children. Meaning we will learn first of all. It is used to enclose the exact word of the sentence, children. Like for example, I said my children are good in English. Means they are good. They knows good. Okay. They are very much familiar to the kids. Means they like more chocolates. Chocolates. In the chocolate word, I can give the quotation marks, children. In the same way, I'll give the example. So that example you can get to know more easier, children. Write down the example. Manu said, and open the quotation mark, children. I was in Mumbai for the week. So this is the sentence, children. For a week, he went for the again we will learn children. Manu said, open the quotation mark. What he said, exact word को अपन quotation marks देना. I was in Mumbai for a week. Again I have closed the inverted commas children. Now in the punctuation marks side heading 6th one children, the semicolon. In the brackets write down semicolon sign children. It's the meaning we will learn first. Okay, we will learn first meaning of it. It is used to separate a series of clauses. Means here a separate words you are talking in the sentence. So for that sentences, for that words, we will give the semicolon sign children. How? We will learn the example. Through that example, you can get to know more easier. I will write I came. I came. Give here colon. Or otherwise, I saw. I saw. I said. So these signs we call them as a semicolon children. In the punctuation marks we are writing now 7th side heading, that is capital letter children. Yes, it also comes under the punctuation children. So first of all we will know the meaning of the capital letters, where you should write down and why you should write down. A capital letter is used to begin every new sentence. To begin a new sentence, the starting letter it should be written in the capitals children. How we will write? Here I have written small. What is the name? Here, what is the name? Okay, what is the name of your sister? Here I have written small letter children. To start this sentence, I have written a small letter. It is wrong. Yes or no? It is wrong. So to start a sentence, we must write down what children? Capital letter. So rub it and write down W in the capitals. Now it is the correct sentence. Now second sentence we will write children. See here I am writing capital T. The gate panda is found in China. Again, have given the full stop at the end of this. And to begin a sentence, I have written the capital letter. All of you understood children? This is the capital letter side heading under the punctuation children. Now, what are the things we have learned under the punctuation children? We will write once again. First one, what we wrote? Comma. Yes, comma we wrote. Where you must give the comma, we have learned thoroughly. Yes or no? And second, what we learned children? Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. And third, what we learned children? Question mark. Question mark. Next, yes, exclamation. Exclamatory. Exclamation mark. quotation mark, quotation mark. And more, what we learn children? Semicolon. Semicolon. And last, what we learn children? Capital letter. Capital letter. So to write any words, you can write any sentence or 2 lines or any statements. We people use this punctuation very rarely. Okay, very, yes,